Hi guys, today I'm going to be adding pockets on one of my dresses for the first time. I actually got this idea from a girl on Instagram I was talking to. She said that it's super easy and she thinks it would make a great video, so I decided to try it. So I picked a dress that I knew if I did destroy, I wouldn't be too mad about. So this is the dress I picked, and I wanted to show you guys how bad it is that they don't give women pockets. I knew it was bad, but this really shocked me. So I own a ton of dresses, and I mean a ton. And I decided to use a template to where I'm going to position the pockets on one of my old dresses that have pockets that I like where they're positioned, so I can measure it out. And I looked on all my dresses and can only find one dress with a pocket. So here are all my dresses. The reason why I have so many dresses is most of them have been given to me, whether that be by my mom, my grandma, or my sister. This next dress my mom gave to me, and it comes with this very fuzzy jacket. I do tend to keep dresses even if they don't fit me because they are sentimental. I do keep a couple of my mom's dresses that don't fit me just because I love them so much, and maybe in the future I'll learn how to make patterns and then I can actually sew my own dress that looks the same but fits me. This next dress my mother gave to me, and it's one of my favorites, but it doesn't fit me sadly because I can't get it to zip over my chest. So I still keep it because it is absolutely stunning. And the next dress was given to me by my grandma's sister Mary. It's a very pretty dress. I like it a lot. And out of all those dresses I just showed you, this is the only one I have with pockets. If you guys are interested in seeing a video where I try on all my dresses, make sure you leave a comment down below saying so. That way I can make it for you. And now let's get back into the video. So I'm going to take a piece of paper and put my hand on it and start drafting the pocket pattern. So I'm going to trace my hand, and then I'm going to add about an inch of seam allowance onto that. Once you're done adding your seam allowance, now cut out your template. I did place my phone on top of the pattern to see if it would hold it. I don't know if that's how you're technically supposed to measure it, but that's what I did and it worked for me. Now I placed it on top of my fabric and I pinned it down and cut it out. For the second piece I had to cut out, I actually went in with white pastels and went around the border. That way it would make a line, and then I just pinned the fabric and cut that out. And it was a lot easier, so I'd recommend using the second method than the pinning it down with the cardstock because it was kind of difficult. Once your 4 pieces are cut out, I'm going to take my dress and I'm going to go over to the side seam and measure down from the waist 2 inches and make a mark, and then measure from the waist down 7 inches and make a mark there as well. Now I'm going to take my pocket template and make sure it fits between those 2 measurements, and if it does, start seam ripping. Once you're done seam ripping, take one of the pocket pieces and pin it to one side and then sew it. Now this was pretty hard for me because I am dyslexic and it was my first time doing this, so I got a little confused. But how I managed to keep track is when you open your pocket, you want the inside of the pocket to match the inside of the dress. So you want it to both go right sides. Do you see it right there? And then you're going to sew down that line to make sure your pocket is in place. And then you're going to repeat on the other side, making sure that both of your pockets are right sides together. Once you have sewn both sides of the pocket, now you're going to sew them together. So just pin those 2 pieces together and sew around your pocket. I really hope I'm explaining this well enough, but I did link the video I am following down in the description for you guys as well. Once you're done sewing, one pocket is completely done. Now I'm going to move on to the other side of my dress and repeat the same steps. I'm going to measure it out and start seam ripping. When I was sewing, my sister went to the bathroom, and every time she goes to the bathroom, our cat starts screaming for her. Now that I've just added the other pockets, my dress is done. I was worried about it coming out a little sloppy because this was my first time adding pockets to a dress, but it actually turned out really well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, bye.